You're looking live at a mostly cloudy sky over Charlottesville and Central Virginia as viewed by our Carter Mountain weather camera. Those clouds will thicken up and eventually produce a cold November rain by tomorrow morning. All right, good Monday to you. I'm Storm Team 29 meteorologist Josh Fitzpatrick. Now, the next big thing I'm tracking from the Weather Center is the first winter weather advisory for the area, parts of the area of the season. This is mainly for the Shenandoah Valley from 4 to 10 a.m. on Tuesday, but it's mostly for areas west of I-81, especially for routes 33 and 250 over the higher elevations of the Allegheny Highlands. There could be briefly a slushy inch of snow, could be a little bit of a thin layer of ice for elevations greater than 2,000 feet. But even here, it's going to be mostly a cold rain tomorrow. And speaking of that cold rain, this is going to be a soaking rain Tuesday into Tuesday night. The most rainfall we've had around here since going back to September the 23rd, nearly 2 months ago. And that was when Tropical Storm Ophelia gave us more than an inch of rain on a weekend. And in that first forecast for today, it's dry for the entire area for the rest of the day into the early overnight hours. Temperatures 8 to 10 degrees lower compared to yesterday, mostly in the low to mid 50s for daytime highs, barely 50 in the valley, low to mid 50s east of the Blue Ridge, as those east northeast breezes are going to lock in some cooler conditions, and we are dry through at least midnight. Wildfire smoke. We may see some of that. We may smell some of that smoke into portions of the valley from the ongoing wildfire there, the Matts Creek fire into Bedford County. But I guarantee this fire will be put out by Mother Nature tomorrow with good soaking rain. Several inches of rain may fall over those wildfire areas, so that's certainly some good news. Temperatures are in the 40s right now over most areas. The Doppler radar scope is dry temporarily, but that will be changing over the next 24 hours in a hurry. There are the clouds increasing across our sky from the southwest. The rain clouds are still several hundred miles away. Look at that spin in the atmosphere across the Central Plains states. This is the low pressure that's going to pull up some Gulf of Mexico moisture, and the stage is set for our most rain in a 24-hour period in about 2 months. Severe weather will break out tonight into the lower Mississippi Valley. No severe weather here at home, though, but it will cause airport delays across the heartland into the Midwest, the East Coast over the next 72 hours. You can get airport delays at select cities on the Storm Team 29 weather app. Futurecast shows clouds on the increase. The rain will overspread the area from southwest to the northeast. There's 8 Tuesday morning. Here's 24 hours from now. A solid shield of rain, could be heavy at times, and then the rain will exit as we go towards midnight tomorrow night. Rainfall projections, 1.5 to 3.5 inches of rainfall. That is certainly going to be beneficial across the area. And there could be some pockets of ice, mainly for the Allegheny Highlands into those colder sheltered valleys. And then just in time for Thanksgiving, the weather will improve. In fact, the weather will improve on Wednesday into Thursday with highs back in the 50s with sunshiny skies on Thursday. Forecast today, mostly cloudy and cool, low to mid 50s. For tonight, a dry evening, lows in the 30s. It's mostly a cold rain tomorrow, folks. Mid 40s to low 50s in the afternoon with a northeast breeze. Here's your 7-day forecast. A drier and breezy outlook on Wednesday, good for travel. 50s on Thursday and drying out on Thanksgiving Day. And then mostly dry Friday now as the system mainly passes by 2 hours south. And the weekend will be seasonably cool, 50s by day and lows in the frosty 20s and 30s. Jared.